This CV boot had completely split open, and I'm wondering if this joint is even savable. The question was, had dirt already destroyed it? How is this okay, and did I reuse it? From the beginning, I secure the shaft in the vise so it doesn't slip. The CV clamps are the first thing to be pried or cut off. Don't overthink it. Now, take a Stanley knife, cut all the way down the boot and rip it open to expose the grease. Wipe away any excess. You can actually hear the dirt grinding through the joint. If you apply brake cleaner now, it strips the grease away and leaves the dirt behind, which stiffens the joint, so avoid doing this. Normally, this bolt secures the drive shaft into the hub, but on this design it can also be used to wind the CV joint off the shaft. Thread it in straight, and if it's seated correctly, the joint will lock in like this. Now, slowly start winding. You can hear the tension building as it cracks the joint free from the circlip. After that, wind it all the way through and pull the joint off. Push the cage down and the bulls will release. Lightly tap it if they're stubborn. Use brake cleaner and spray the cage and races to remove all the grime. They can't really be removed, but there's enough room here to clean everything properly. Give the bulls the same treatment. Look at all that dirt. Now, coat everything in CV grease and reassemble it the same way it came apart. Before testing the joint, I'm removing the circlip and spacers first. To really test it, we need some coats of grease. A lot quieter, but how is this okay? It isn't. Dirt is an abrasive contaminant that wears down the cage and bulls, causing that looseness. Clicking noises will follow and eventually it fails. Time for a new CV joint. Apply some grease to the shaft. This helps with the new CV boot to slide on. If it fights you, grab the front like this and pull it back. Install the new spacers. Then install the new circlip. Push it up slightly so you can see the tail ends. Fit the new CV joint and use a screwdriver to tuck the circlip tails in. Now push the joint on with both hands. If it won't go, the circlip isn't tucked in properly and it's binding. Look how tight this new joint is. Definitely the correct decision. I pack grease into each tracking ball, rocking it back and forth before moving on to the next one. Once all 6 are done, I pack grease over the top and work it in, making sure everything is covered. Now give it a good rotation. Grease the inside of the boot and place the rest over the joint, smoothing it around. Clean off the excess from where the joint and boot will seat. Then push it down and close it up. Wrap the CV clamp around as tight as you can get it. A small amount of movement is fine. Use a CV clamp tool and begin crimping the band. If it doesn't crimp evenly, angle the tool so one jaw is higher than the other, then press it in. You can adjust it like this to correct the alignment and achieve the perfect crimp. Apply the same technique to the other clamp. This one needed to be tighter, otherwise there was too much slack. I used a screwdriver to help seat the clip. Then use the same method to align and achieve a clean, even crimp. And that's it, all done. If you found value in this video, subscribe and I'll make more content like this.